So this is the last line of the chorus, where there are actually words. So there are 3 lines of vocables, and then there is this was line with words. And go sme for vron, stu gam e, like blah blah blah, vocables, and me and depression. So vron is sadness. So sme, yeah, I'm quite depressed. Okay, and then this is another agus, and you, so 2, not u in this case, gam ye. So G means lack of something, and as Gaelic goes, I am in the lack. So basically I'm missing you. Okay, and this is the first line of the first verse. Shimagaiche luch uar.
Shimagaiche luch uar.
Luch uar. So FH is not pronounced, and because aiche is a feminine word, we add H to the adjectives. So many a night. So shimag means many a, and then aiche, night, fluch fuar, wet and cold, and after aiche is luch fuar. Okay. Many a night, wet and cold. So shimagaiche luch fuar. Okay, next one. Gav me koerst, sme lemheen. Gav me, so I took a walk or a trip. So koerst could mean a walk, could mean a trip. Okay, so gav me koerst, I took a walk. Sme lemheen. Lemheen, as you would remember, by myself. Gav me koerst, sme lemheen. I traveled all by myself. Okay, next one. Gus and Ranik, me and Taj. I came while Ranik, I reached or arrived at the place. Until I arrived at the place. So Gus and Ranik, me and Taj. Faranro Gradh, geal chrìdh. Right love of my heart was. Yeah. Oh, well, right love of my heart was there. Okay, this is the easiest verse. Okay. So most of the words are quite easy in this verse. Then there goes chorus, and then next verse. Okay. Yeah, and Troy, or I would cloud for you and read. Human suas u gunji.
Human suas u gunji.
Yeah, human means I would keep up. Suas is up. U, you. Gunji. That's the same word that we had in the chorus. So G is lack. So without wanting, you know, without lack of anything. Okay. I would support you and you would want for nothing. Even up to this extent. Therein as a gravel chrìdh.
Therein as a
gravel chrìdh. Gravel is rock, basically. So, you know, what do we call loose stone that you buy for your driveway? So this is what it is. Basically from the hard rock. Yeah? And what You will see in the next line. Yeah. So I would take or extract from the hard rock. Chrìdh is gravel is feminine, so chrìdh, hard. Chrìdh. Then it has a gravel chrìdh. And this is what Domoluai, Chach, and Cheer. Domoluai, Chach, and Cheer. So, okay, to my darling. Domoluai is my darling. Chach and Cheer is basically income, yeah, living. It's just a phrase, Chach and Cheer. Okay, a living for my love. So so Molua is more like my darling, and Gradh is love. So. Okay, next verse.
It's gonna get worse.
Yes. Get na helshin hast post.
Get na helshin hast post.
Easy enough line. Yeah. Although we are not married yet. Get na helshin hast post. So although we are not married yet. Post is married. Hast is yet. And then this is shin is we. Although is get. Get na helshin. Although we are not yet married, get na helshin has post. Okay. Hamin doches gembi.
Hamin doches gembi.
This is also an easy enough line. And hoping to be. So doches is hope. Hamin doches, I hope that we will be. Okay. Okay, so at Savares, Mogagorn.
That's a varish.
Vares.
That's a varish. Mogagorn.
As long as my two fists last.
Yeah, what's coming next?
As long as there is strength in my two fists, or as long as they last, Havi lon oren a ye.
Lon oren agi.
A ye. That's the same word again for the third time. Lack. Yeah. Lon is food in general. Yeah.
Huh.
So Havi, we won't we won't have shortages. We will want for nothing. Yeah? Variation in the vocals. Okay. I will make it a bit loud.
Smi. 'Smí 'mhór an stúca mí. Shema. 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 Shema.
Gami. Like that. Yeah.
I can't remember all of that on my own. Sing it with me.
You will have the video, of course, and all the versions.
Okay.
Smi fovron stugami. Like this. So, okay. Have I go at verse 1? Shimagai helua Gav mi kuat smilem hin Kusandranik min taj Faren rograi galmochri Shimagai helua Gav mi kort smilem hin Gusandranik min taj Van rogra galmochri. Like this. Okay, verse 2. Then I'm supposed to repeat the chorus, but I've already done it twice, so I'll do verse 2. Jan intro gochtes buan, in sogen gi, verina sagrahel chruai, domoluai chachken chi. Yeah, okay, do it again. Jan intro gochtes buan, in sogen gi, verina sagrahel chruai, domoluai chachken chi. Okay, chorus, join in. Vermio hi Vermio smi fovron stugami. Okay. Verse 3. I'm not doing the fourth one.
Okay.
Get na hersen has post. Amin do has can be. At savares mogagor. Avilo nornei. again. Get na hel sin has boost. Amin do es gemi. At sa vares mogagorn. Avilo nornei. And the chorus, join in. Vermio, vermio, hi, vermio, smi favron stugami. There we are.